Hey guys, Rokket Racing Engine Lab in Tampa, Florida. Right now we're going to do part 3 of a 3-part video on the M96 .1 5-chain camshaft timing. Now, if you watch the previous 2 videos, I talked about setting up the Vario timing and the tensioners. I talked about camshaft orientation and about setting the timing and the tools. Now, what we've done, we've already done 1 through 3. We rotated the engine 360 degrees, put our top dead center in there. Okay. After 1 through 3's been done, now we're at 4 through 6. If you look closely, you're going to see that my camshaft timings, the marks I made on the chains, are clearly in the correct location. All right. I removed the 5mm bolt that goes here that actually held down the tensioners. I want to point out on this particular engine, on this particular, down in here, you're going to see that reluctor wheel, that pickup for the cam timing, for the Hall effect sensor, for the cam sensor right there. If you do 4 through 6, it's exactly the opposite of 1 through 3. Now this is on the bottom. If you do it on the top, which I've seen some guys do, you're going to be 180 degrees off. So right now, because I rotated 1 through 3, I rotated the engine 360 degrees, 1 through 3 is now pointing in towards the inside of the engine, just like this one is. It's not pointing out. The other thing I want to point out is that if you have the camshaft timing set up properly, is the camshaft orientation. Right now, if you take a look at these, the intake cam is actually pointing in towards the spark plug holes on approximately a 45-degree angle. Also, the exhaust cam is also pointing in towards the number 4 spark plug hole. So they're kind of 45 degrees in. Cam timing is already set. Things are on. It should be a pretty foolproof setup. Hopefully this helps you. Good luck. And if you have any problems with that thing, reach out to us at Rokk at 911engines.com. See if we can give you a hand. If you need parts for any of these, we stock all of it. Thanks and have a great day.